Today we're at Slee Off-Road to talk about an exciting new product. Slee Off-Road has been building Land Cruiser bumpers for over 2 decades. This is our new 200 series Land Cruiser front bumper that fits 2008 through 2021. This bumper has been in testing and design for over 2.5 years. This is being made in our brand new Arvada manufacturing facility. The front shell is manufactured from 3/16 grade 50 steel. The grade 50 is 30 to 40% stronger than regular mild steel. The bumper shell attaches to mounting brackets to the frame. These mounting brackets, including the winch frame, is made from 1/4 to 3/8 inch steel, depending on the location, and attaches to the frame using 8 mounting bolts per frame rail, so a total of 16 mounting bolts. Those same mounting brackets have recovery points built into them that are much higher clearance than what you find in the industry from the standard recovery points or other bolt-on locations. For lighting, the bumper is designed around the Baja Designs S8 light bar. The S8 light bar has both a amber DRL as well as a high output white. In the wings of the bumper, you can see the Baja Designs S2s. In this case, the S2s are in the amber color. Let's talk about the winch. This bumper was designed around accepting both the come-up seal winch as well as a Warren Xeon winch. At Slee Off-Road, all of the bumpers we've designed have put a lot of attention into winch location and usability. You'll notice that there's good visibility to the winch drum. This is very important in case of a rat's nest or making sure that the cable is properly wrapped on the winch. We've gone as far as to add a illumination as an option to the winch drum for winching at night. This winch design has had a ton of load testing and full use testing to ensure deflection and such for a 12,000 pound winch. Additionally, it includes a winch mounting bracket to hide the winch control box of both the come up and the Xeon. The control box is hidden back behind the winch in order to access the wire control. We've also incorporated the plug extended out forward for easy access for a wire controller. The come-up winches also have an option of having a wireless controller without losing the wire controller. Let's not forget the parts that you can't see. Under the wings are wing panel protection. This is not only important to visibly clean up everything that's unfinished behind the bumper, but additionally, the inner fender liners are retained and the wing panels attach the fender liners in place to keep them from flopping around. We all know one of the Achilles heels of the 200 series is water intrusion into the engine. Without the inner fender liners in place, this is much more prone. This takes care of that concern. In the middle of the bumper, you will also see the skid plate or the stone guard that connects the bottom of the bumper to the front frame cross member. This helps distribute loads from the front of the bumper and keeps objects from entering into the radiator. This will also work with the factory skid plate as well as the Slee Off-Road skid plate system, and they attach very cleanly together. One of our pet peeves with bumper design is when you lose one of the features that Toyota gave you from the factory. Toyota uses the term safety sense, and we go out of our way to ensure that you keep all of the functions or features of the safety sense system. All of the parking sensors are retained and part of the design and included the grommets for mounting the parking sensors in the wings of the bumper. Additionally, the pre-collision camera behind the Toyota Sombrero, as well as the front-mounted camera, is also retained and unobstructed. Let's talk about the design and styling attributes of the bumper. Toyota did a great job designing the nose of the truck, the 200 series. We go out of our way not to cover that up. Many of the lines of the wings of the bumpers follow the headlight angle, follow the parking light angle. The wings are upswept for a better approach angle. They're pushed back to not stick out from the front of the vehicle as much. The Slee Off-Road rear bumper carries a lot of the same attributes along with the front bumper. They blend together. The forming of the stinger on the front bumper blends with the tire carrier and ladder design. The surrounds around the fog lights also carries through into the rear bumper. We think they make a great match. Thank you for joining us today to go over the features and benefits of our new 200 series Land Cruiser front bumper. For more information, please visit our website where there's detailed pictures. If you would like to order a bumper, our website has live inventory where the bumpers can be ordered. If they're not, you can always sign up to be notified when available. As always, Slee Off-Road bumpers are American made and built to last.